Hey guys, it's an exciting day for me. I'm heading up to Scotts Bluff, which is a few miles north of where I live. I'm going to pick up my brand new high clearance bumper for the front of my 2016 Ram Power Wagon, and it's made by High Country Customs out of Gypsum, Colorado, and it's based off of the old Kinzer bumper. He's updated the design, put bracing in there, made it stronger than it ever was before, beefed up the corners, and the one I'm getting is a powder coated model with the, I guess, Squadron Sport lights on it. I'm excited to see what it is. The guy at the shipping dock told me it's all crated up really nice, and we'll see what I get when I get there. Okay, I had to take a sneak peek, so I cut into this, and I see it's got a pack with some powder coated plates and parts, some bolts. This is one of the plates that I pulled out of the pack. Look at that nice, cool powder coat. Look at that nice, and look at that, how they built all this. Everything's incorporated in. It's got my park sensor holes. Check that out. Yeah. It's all nicely packed. High Country Customs out of Gypsum, Colorado. I'll get her out so you can see it. Alright, first off, I gotta say this bumper here has got me completely impressed. This thing is so smooth on the outside where they've welded it all together. And you can just see the detail, how they've worked it together. All these cool angles come together. You got an angle here. I mean, look at all these angles. It's just everything. And you look at the quality of a bumper. You look at the inside where it's been welded on the inside. Look at these welds. And that is really pretty awesome. They didn't miss a thing. They've even got these little tabs here where you can put your wiring. You can zip tie your wiring for your proximity sensors. And just look at that, how that thing is built pretty good, and it's rugged too. I mean, it's all 3/16. Even this piece out here, a cool angle. Got a nice little mount here for the Squadron Sport lights. And this here will bolt right up to the Power Wagon, right here. And then my clevis out there will be right to the frame. I like that. That's going to be nice. This here's folded over. It's not welded. It's folded over. So my winch cable or rope will have something smooth if I go too high or too low past the fair lead. That's the inside of the bumper. I'm pretty impressed. I'm going to get her out here to see more. All right, here it is outside in the sunlight for you to see. I really wish I'd have waited until I had some help. I drug it out of that crate, and it was a little heavy, so I think I did that, and I did this. But you know what? It'll probably come out, and it's pretty tough. That's powder coat. But man, look at them welds. Just look at that. That is really a nice, get off there, you little turd butt fly. Pretty nice little bumper. Just, that's a nice and smooth. Holes are smooth. There'll be a room right here to put that clevis bolt in. Be a good angle, but yet it'll be behind the plane in the front of it. Yeah, pretty nice. Here I am on the Power Wagon. I got one side jacked up so I can wire up my manual switches for my locker. I'm going to test that when I'm putting the power probe and the power to it and make sure I got the right circuit. But yeah, that bumper there is going to replace this one here. One day I was out on location and I threw the little bucket for that excavator there off onto the ground and put the other one on, and I forgot it was there and took off and drove up over the thing and munched this up pretty good right here. So I've been pretty hard on that. Oh yeah, I was in a big hurry one day and I wanted a front camera when I was going hill climbing, so I just put one of them cheap license plate cameras on there. It's got the little solar panel here and a display inside that you wake up by waving in front of it. $100 camera. Actually worked pretty good. Looks terrible, but there was the first one I put on. Okay, I'm rambling. Anyway, this bumper's coming off and that one's going on.